It was awesome. Now, it was admittedly very, very busy, but I like busy. And I was so excited to meet all the students. I got to meet a lot of the parents, and I mean, it was just such a good, fun atmosphere. Everyone's excited about the new school year, and it gave me just a big high. I was just so happy with how the evening went. It was great. I have a student in high school. Her name is Sarah. She's a sophomore. Then I have Ashlyn and Marcus. They are in the 2nd and 3rd grade. They're going to really like it. They had gone to a smaller school last year, my 2 little ones. My older daughter, she went to a big county school. It's going to be a little bit of an adjustment for her, but I really think it's going to be better. I really, really, really am thankful for the Christian environment and for the Christian education. And that's something that we were looking at before I even considered taking a job here. That was something that we had been considering because we think that it is the best thing for our children. Well, there is a concentration on the basics of life. And that is something I think a lot of people are missing. You get some of the more advanced classes and whatnot, but people forget how to take care of themselves. But then you still have the advanced classes. We have some STEAM classes. I'm real excited. My daughter has managed to get in one of the last slots into the STEAM Health Sciences class, which I think is going to be great for her. She's considering a career in healthcare. So really, really appreciate that. And then we have a lot of different classes that would appeal to different personalities. We have a media class that you're teaching, which is going to be real exciting. A lot of music, choir, band. I mean, these are some electives, but they're so good and they're so necessary. You have your reading, writing, and arithmetic, just your traditional things that you need every day just to get through school. But then these electives they make school fun. We need electives. Yes, we are happy to announce that we have partnered with Eastern Kentucky University and are able to offer dual credit English 101 and 102 taught by Sandy Melton, 7th period. Plus, we have some students that were able to get a few dual credit classes in last year that are going to be taking some more that are more of an online independent study type thing. We're hoping to add other schools as time goes by, but we're real excited about our partnership with EKU and really thankful that our students are able to access this program and get the credit in those classes so they'll get that college credit because it's really a savings opportunity for them. They have an opportunity to get a dual credit scholarship through KIA, which will pay for 2 classes per year for these guys. If they take the 4 classes, that's a savings of about more like a couple $1,000s. I mean, they're saving. So it's great. It's a great opportunity for them. I am so thankful to be here, and I'm thankful my children are here, and I'm praying that I can make a positive impact on the children that we have here in the school. I'm thankful to be here with our staff, and I feel like that this is a place where I will hopefully be for a long, long time. Say if any parents need to get in touch with me, you have questions about your child's schedule, questions about dual credit, anything like that, please just don't hesitate to give me a call. I'll be happy to talk to you. If we need to have a face-to-face visit, we can do that too, and just let me know what I can do to better serve you.